You can drink my liquor, you can call my lady, you can take my money, you can smoke my blunt. Scuff these Jordans, you can say you hate me, you can call me crazy, but don't touch my truck. Don't touch my truck. Don't touch my truck. Hey everyone, Blaze plays guitar lessons. I want to teach you how to play this awesome song by Breland. This song was requested by TJ. So I really appreciate it. I hadn't heard the song, but it's awesome. So this is Breland featuring Sam Hunt. It's a very easy song to play on the guitar. It's got kind of a cool strumming pattern. The strumming is very easy. It's just kind of cool. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways you can do it. All right. Thanks so much for subscribing to all of you who have, and just for watching. All right. I really appreciate it. I'd ask you to please hit like and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. All right. You can be part of the Blaze Guitar Lessons crew, whatever that means. Anyway, so. Okay, you're going to hear the chords you're going to start with on the song. Okay, you're going to use A minor. Okay, and this is standard tuning, no capo. All right, you're going to use A minor. You're going to use E minor. All right, you can probably already hear it. And you're going to use C. And you're going to use D minor. Okay, so D minor is you're going to put your middle finger on the second fret on the G string. Okay, and you're going to put your ring finger on the third fret on the B string, and then you're going to put your pointer. I don't know if you can see that too well. You're going to put your pointer finger on the first fret on the little E string, okay? You don't need to play the big E string, but you can play the rest of them, okay? So you're going to use that. I think that's all you use in the song, but I'm going to show you. The orders change a little bit, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so you're going to start. The song starts with the chorus, and you're going to, and you can palm mute it, or you can just do. Okay, so that's how it goes. It's just down, 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 down. Okay, so it's just that down, 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 down. Okay, just like that, very easy. All right, so it's not very confusing on that. So you're going to start with A minor. You're going to go. You can drink. Drink is where you start playing. Okay, you can either palm mute it or just do it open. Okay. You can drink my, so drink is where you do A minor. Drink my liquor, you can call is E minor. Call my lady, you can take is A minor again. So you go A minor, E minor, A minor. You can take my money, you can smoke is C. Smoke my blunt. Then you go to D minor, okay? So that's this one. You go, scuff these Jordans, you can say you hate me, okay? And then you're gonna go, you can call is A minor, call me crazy, but, okay, so you're gonna do but, okay, and then mute. Don't touch my truck, okay, then you're gonna go back to A minor. Truck, all right, truck. Okay, they're kind of, the way that, like, I see it, yeah, so you're just gonna kind of do, you could just do A minor the whole time and be like, don't touch my truck, don't touch my truck. However, I don't think that sounds as good, so I think it'd be better if you do, don't touch my truck. Okay, you go to E minor, so you kind of go to A minor, E minor, back and forth. So you go, don't touch my truck, A minor, truck, skirt, don't touch my truck. Okay, so you go to E minor, and then when you go to don't touch my truck again, you go to A minor. Don't touch my truck, yeah, skirt, yo, what? Don't touch my, okay, then you're gonna go into the verses. Verses look to me like they have the same, chord progression and everything, so you're just gonna do, so it's gonna be V8 engine with the windows tinted with, boy, okay, so you're gonna do the same thing, you're gonna do A minor, E minor, so it's V8 is where you do A minor, V8 engine with the windows is E minor, windows tinted, boy, we came is A minor, came from the bottom, gotta get it, okay, get it out the mud, get it out the mud is C, get it out the mud, whole block jumping is A minor, whole block jumping cause the sub stay hitting is E minor, hitting if they roll up on me, no I keep one, keep is where you do C, keep one tucked, okay, and you're gonna do the same thing for the pre-chorus where it's like, so it's, tell the boys come and get me. Okay, it's a different chord progression, but it's the same strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern does basically the same thing the whole time. So it's A minor. Tell them boys come and let's see. Tell them boys come and get me. Then you go to C, okay? I'll be riding through the city. You're gonna stay on C. Young, rich, and I'm pretty. Okay, then you're gonna go back to A minor on homie. Homie, don't get it twisted. Okay, then you're gonna go to E minor. Keep a semi. But this is where it gets like really high, so I'm not gonna try and sing it super much. But it's like keep a semi in the hemi. Sorry, keep a semi in the hemi, which is I'm sure semi-automatic. Keep a semi in the hemi. Oh, and then you're gonna go to keep on E minor for the next couple lines of it. So it's gonna be red cup full of Henny. My hitters come in plenties. All right, then you're gonna go for real. Okay, for real. All right, then you're gonna go back to you can drink my liquor, you can call my lady, you can. Okay, just like that. You're gonna go right back to it. So for the pre-chorus, sorry, the verse is just the same as the intro. Actually, no, it's not quite the same. Sorry. So the verse is A minor, E minor, A minor, C, A minor, E minor, C. So there's no D minor in the verse like there is in the chorus. Then in the pre-chorus, it's A minor, C, C, A minor, E minor, E minor, E minor. Okay. So then you go to the chorus again. And I think that's actually how you play. That's like the entire song. So there's no like real bridge in this song, and there's like another verse, like a third verse, but they're all just kind of like they just play them the same. So let me know if you guys have any questions, or if you have any comments, or if you have any songs you would like me to teach you next. Because as you can see, I'm more than happy to oblige as best as I can. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. It's been a lot of fun, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.